magical souls, I thought I'd say a few words about what an Akashic Record reading is like. And the interesting thing is that many people ask me, what is it about, why should they have one, and what is it going to be like? So firstly, the Akashic Record Reading, Akashic Record Library is a place in the 11th dimension that has a record of everybody's past lives and their possible futures as well. It's an organic book. It changes depending on the decisions that you make. What I will do first and foremost is I'll actually say a guided meditation so that we can feel more grounded and yet activated at the same time. So that's important, and you'll actually start to feel very comfortable and feel very held by Mother Earth during this meditation. It only lasts a few minutes, and that will then lead on to myself saying a prayer to open up your personal records. And when I open up your records, what will happen is you might feel quite emotional, because it's like releasing the veil of the third dimension and having a direct connect to, it will feel like you're connecting to source. So you'll feel the love of the entire universe coming through to you, which can be incredibly beautiful and very moving. This will also help you feel like that we do have a good connection for you and that the process is working. That can help you feel like there is a connection. And then what will happen is that the guides will give us a mini download. So the download normally lasts about 5 minutes, and they will just give us a bit of information about what's happening for you at a soul level. They might bring in who your guides are, who you are surrounded by, your spirit guides, any ascended masters or archangels that are with you. And that's it. So if you like the sound of that, then please do book a reading with either myself or the wonderful magical guides that I have personally trained. They are incredibly good Akashic Record readers, and they are sure to assist you with any of your questions that you have and your soul journey.